Hey guys, I am going to create a React application and post that in GitHub Pages. Let's create a new application, React application. Okay, let's call it as online shopping. Okay, open the command prompt. Um, Open the code in VS Code using code space dot command. Okay, cool. Let's open Control J terminal. Okay, let's create a React application using npx command. Okay, just to make sure that we have the node modules in your system. npx create react app online shopping. This will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so it created a React application. Let's switch to the folder. Okay, let's reopen this. Okay, so here we have the React application. Now let's start the React app using npm start. Let's make sure that the application is running in our local server. Okay, it's starting the server. Meanwhile, let me open the GitHub account. Yeah, so this is my GitHub account. So let me go to repositories. I have a couple of repositories. Let me create a new repository for our new application. Yeah, here we have the application ready in our local server. Okay, now create a repository called online shopping react app. Okay, create repository. Okay, so here we have a couple of commands we have to run so that our code will come to the GitHub repository. Okay, let's go to our React application folder. Okay, yeah, if you observe, there is already a Git repository is being created when we are creating a React application. Let's delete that. Okay, now refresh. Now we don't have any repository. Let's open the command. Let's do a git init. It will initialize a new Git repository. Yeah, it created. Okay, now git. Okay, let me add a couple of things so that it will sub package.json. So we have to add the home page to host our application in GitHub Pages. Okay, yeah, GitHub Pages. Yeah, this is the home page, and this should be our repository name. Okay, and our Git name is TN Sudhakar. Our React application name is online shopping react app. Okay, we should also add few scripts there. Okay, these are the two scripts. Okay, let's save this. Okay, now let's go to the repository, and yeah, this is the application name. Let me do a copy paste to make sure it's correct. Okay, just save it. Okay, now let's add all our code to Git repository. Git add dot. Okay, now just check the status. Okay, added all. Git commit -n first commit. Let's go with first commit, the command name. Okay, yeah. Now let's see what other command that we have to run. Let me run this main. Okay, cool. And let's add a remote repository. Okay, it's added. Okay, let's push the changes to the Git repository. Okay, yeah. Let's come to Git repository and refresh the page. Okay, so we got the page. We got all the code in our repository. Okay, let's do one thing now. We just have to install GH pages. So using command npm install GH pages, let's be in our dev dependencies. Okay, so now we have the GitHub pages, node package manager. So let's come here and just check whether we have that or not. Yeah, here it is. We have the GH pages. Now let's stop the server for a while. Okay, now run the command npm run deploy. So basically this run deploy will be creating a package which is a build folder consisting of our all the files, which is a production build, which will be deployed to the GitHub Pages server so that we can see our application live. Okay, so it's still building. Yeah, it created all the files, minified files. Okay, it's running the GitHub Pages build. Okay, it got published. Let's come to our Git repository, go to settings. Okay, and here left side you can see pages, click on it. Okay, yeah, so it says that GitHub Pages, your site is ready to be published. Okay, so we have our application ready in the GitHub server. Okay, open this in a new link. Yeah, see, our application got launched in the GitHub and it is deployed there. If you want to make any changes, you can just make that changes and you can do npm run deploy so that it will create a build folder and it will just publish the changes again to the server. Let's see that how it works. Okay, go to source index.js, sorry, app.js. Okay, now we have this entire, let's remove this and write welcome to online shopping world. Save it. Okay, got saved. Sorry, save it. Okay, now do that again, npm run deploy. So it will create a new build with our latest changes and will be published to the GH pages. Okay, it's creating an optimized production build. Okay, yeah, it created a new chunk files with the latest changes, and it is ready to be deployed. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Okay, yeah, it's published. Let's refresh. Okay, so we have new changes in our GH Pages server. Yeah, you can share this up URL to anybody so that they can open it, for example, like this. Yeah, they'll see our changes. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Let me do a recap finally. So we created a React application, okay, and we removed the existing Git link, and then we initialized and we created a Git repository, and we installed npm GitHub Pages, and we added the package.json with a home page, which is our GitHub repository and the repository name, and the two scripts which are deploy and pre-deploy. And by running npm run deploy, it will create a build folder in the GitHub server, and in the GitHub server we can open our link to see our latest changes in the GitHub Pages servers. Thank you, guys. If you like it, please like it, subscribe. Thank you.